Hello guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to show you how I make fried tilapia fish with this amazing sauce. And if you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe, share my videos, comment, and always don't forget to like my videos. So sit back, relax, and take some tips from this amazing video. So as you can see, I have my fish and I've thoroughly washed it. And with your fish, you have to slice the fish so that when you marinate, the flavor gets into it so well. And also, I have the clean hands with me as always. So what I'm gonna do is I use a paper towel just to that will help me in absorbing the excess water in my fish. Yes, and later on I get into marinating it. So when it comes to marination, I have some salt to taste, and I'm going to use curry powder and a fish masala for my ingredients, and that will give our fish a good flavor, and both ingredients go so well together. And I'm also going to use some dark soy sauce. So let's season our fish. I'm gonna start with sprinkling some salt on my fish and mix my two ingredients together. Go ahead and add them onto my fish. Later on, go with your hands and just massage the ingredients, the salt, the spices, and the soy sauce into your fish. Make sure you are gentle. You don't want to hurt yourself with a bones fish, so you have to be careful. The fish bones are always sharp, so you have to be careful when massaging your spices, or rather your ingredients, and into your fish. Do the same procedure to the both sides of your fish until you are done, and let it settle for like 30 minutes or so before you go ahead and deep fry your fish. Do the same procedure in the inner side of your fish. So I'm gonna set that aside and make our sauce. For the sauce, I'm going to add little cooking oil onto my pot. Then I'll be using some red onions, I'll be using some red onions and the spring onions. Also, I'll add some capsicums and my remaining spices, the curry powder and the fish masala, and my tomato puree. And yep, after the cooking oil has heated so well, go ahead and add your onions and let them cook until translucent. Afterwards, add your capsicums, the spices, and sprinkle some little salt. Then let your ingredients cook for 2 to 3 minutes before you go on and add your tomato puree. Okay, add your tomato puree, cook it down until it starts to thicken and loses the raw tomato taste. You can see the sauce is very thick, and that means it's ready. So when it comes to deep frying your fish, you have to make sure your cooking oil is very hot before going ahead and deep fry your fish. So I'm going to add some spring onions that will add a flavor onto my fish, and dip my fish and let it give it some time to deep fry so well before I turn on the other side. Okay, after some minutes you can see my fish is ready to be served. Our fish is ready, and you can serve this with some hot ugali or with some rice, and I will highly recommend for you to try this recipe. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video, like, comment as always, and yep, until on my next video, I'll see you all very soon. Bye and enjoy. Subscribe, comment, give it a thumbs up. Bye bye.